Okay, Mr. Teguh, we are very happy to have you here on our channel, right? Oh my God. Okay, Alhamdulillah, connection is good. On our channel, Belajar Bahasa Inggris dengan Passing course, and right now I'm trying to interview you, but I think everyone wanna know about you first, right? Would you introduce yourself first, Mr. Teguh?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Adi.
Yep.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Teguh Supriyadi. You can call me Teguh.
Teguh Supriyadi.
Teguh Supriyadi.
All right. Nice.
And I have graduated from English department.
MashaAllah. That's great.
One of the university in Jakarta.
In Jakarta.
And now I'm teaching English. I have been teaching English for around 20 years.
20?
20 years.
MashaAllah, quite long. But your face is still young, eh? Okay. Nice. Wow. Thanks a lot, Mr. Teguh.
I'm teaching in one of the vocational high school in Tangerang Selatan or South Tangerang.
Oh, South Tangerang. Nice. All right. Okay. That's great to know your biography, sir, or Mr. Teguh. Now, I want to ask you about your experience, all right? Since you teach over there, or since you are being an English teacher, maybe it's kind of lika-liku, right? Experience when you're teaching there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe the audience wanna listen to it, right? Come on, sir.
Okay. As an English teacher, I have so many experiences. When I'm teaching my students, and you know that students are different. Some students are good in elements, and some students are good in skills.
Wow.
Sometimes they can speak, they do not know